In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files in Yahoo Mail emails. To get started, open your web browser and go to yahoo.com. This is the main Yahoo homepage, and from here you can access your email account. If you are not already signed in, make sure to log in before moving forward so you can reach your inbox without any interruptions. Once you're on the Yahoo homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on Mail. This will take you into Yahoo Mail, where you can create and send messages. If your inbox opens automatically, that means you're ready for the next part. On the left-hand side of the Yahoo Mail screen, click on New Message. This opens the Email Compose window, where you'll put together the message you want to send. Take a moment to make sure the Compose box is fully open so you can see all the fields clearly. Next, add the recipient in the To field. This is where you enter the email address of the person you want to send the file to. Be careful when typing here, because even a small mistake in the address can cause the email to go to the wrong person or fail to deliver. After that, add your subject line. The subject should briefly describe what the email is about. Keeping it clear and specific helps the recipient understand the purpose of the message right away, especially when you're sending an attachment. Now type in your message. Even if the attached file contains most of the information, it's a good idea to include a short note in the body of the email. For example, you might mention what the file is, why you're sending it, or if the recipient needs to review it by a certain time. This adds helpful context and makes your email feel complete. Once your message is ready, go to the bottom of the Compose window and click on the paperclip icon. This is the attachment button in Yahoo Mail. When you click it, your computer's file browser will open, allowing you to choose the file you want to send. Next, select the file from your computer. Browse to the correct folder, click on the file, and confirm your selection. After that, give Yahoo Mail a moment to upload the file. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds. When the file is attached, you should be able to see it listed in the email. This is a good time to quickly double-check everything, including the recipient, subject, message, and attached file. Once the file is already attached, you can click on Send. Your Yahoo Mail email, along with the attachment, will then be on its way.